So let's talk about water, which we always talk about. You know, it's interesting over the last several years, sort of how the industry, our industry, has been made to be the bad guy in a lot of cases regarding water usage. And I think that's really unfair, and especially the last several years, if you just kind of look at what we've done as an industry, we're making a lot of changes, and we're bringing our staffs up to a different level, and our expectations are different in conversations with our clients, in conversations with our vendors. You know, we're really working hard to embrace new technologies and that sort of thing. And I think you know, this is really an individual sort of responsibility as well as an industry responsibility. Those folks that are proponents of eliminating a lot of landscape and taking water away from the landscape side of the equation are really looking for opportunities. And when any one of us doesn't do our best and doesn't put best foot forward on a project, take advantage of technologies, offer those things to our customer, that just gives folks an opportunity to, to sort of put a wedge in. So I guess I would say one of the things that I think we all should be thinking about, and it's incumbent upon us individually to make sure that we are educating ourselves, our staff, our customers, working with the things that the vendors are offering, and frankly occasionally pushing back even on the vendors to say, hey, this is okay, but we could use something better, and it would be great if it would do this, that sort of thing. So we kind of push innovation from the user side. You know, if you go back and look at sort of the breakdown of how water is used in the state, it's interesting how little is actually used for landscape use. It's really a couple of percentage points out of the 100. The vast majority of water in the state goes to agriculture. Pretty significant slice goes to industrial process water, pretty small amount to the residential side as a whole, and then out of that residential side, only a fraction really is on the landscape side. So it's sort of interesting that as small a piece of the pie as we are, I think we're very innovative, and we're very aggressive, and we really are pushing to try to be smart about how we do things. So not only do we have the responsibility to do those things, but certainly, and this is part of ALCC's responsibility, is to tell people that, and to get people to understand that, hey, this is not it's not like it was back in the day, that we are very much ahead of where we used to be, and certainly looking to be even more improved year after year.